bro, no way she did this.
I was trying to film a TikTok, and this creep came up to me.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to explain to you the history of Subway. Did you know Subway was invented on the 28th of August 1965? It was invented in Bridgeport.
Excuse me. I think you may have dropped your wallet.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
What a creep. This is why I never feel safe. Share this with everyone.
Come on. There he is.
Hey bro.
Hey Noah. I hope you prepared a goated presentation.
Oh absolutely, you'll be surprised.
I've been playing video games all night, so I'm pretty much screwed.
Hey boys.
Oh hey, are you as screwed as I am?
What are you talking about?
Today is the presentation, you idiot.
Today?
Oh well, you're screwed.
No.
Man, this sucks.
This is not good.
Good morning everyone, I hope you all worked on your presentation. I am very excited. Who is going first? Nobody? Alright, I'll decide.
Please don't shoot me.
Alright, I'll go first.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay, welcome everyone to my presentation. Today I will be talking about the most common cause of car crashes. The first common cause is fog because it makes it hard to see. Another one is driving while looking at your phone. This is super dangerous.
My god, when is this over? I'm about to fall asleep.
Anyways, another common cause is not wearing your seatbelt.
Boo.
This
Nobody
doesn't actually
cares.
cause
Get
car
back to your
crashes,
seat.
but you have a higher chance of death if you don't
Just
wear
stop.
one.
This is the worst presentation I have ever seen.
Another cause is speeding. People should just follow.
Somebody get her off, please.
Oh my, dude. Can you shut up?
Can you shut up?
Stop being annoying, you are not funny.
Hey wait, that's extremely disrespectful. Have you not learned any respect?
I have never done anything like that to you. What is your problem?
I don't have a problem. It's not my fault that you make the worst presentations in human history.
Are you not gonna do anything about it?
Hey, please be respectful to each other.
I'm sorry for my bad behavior, I just can't stand bad effort.
I hate you with everything, I'm gonna kill you.
I don't think she's happy. Successful trolling.
Stop.
What was that?
Hey man, you going home yet?
I have to go back, I forgot something.
Are you down to game later?
Sure.
Okay cool, and by the way, you really did a good amount of trolling today.
Thanks.
Alright bro, I'll see you later.
Should I go? Where did that come from? Should I just leave? What the?
Hey?
Hi.
Can you come here? I need some help.
Who are you? Go back. Go home. No, don't go. You will never come back. It's gonna kill you. Go home quick before it's too late. No, I'm going home. That was weird.
I am on your side. It was me who kept you hidden from everyone. Do not kill me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Why did he have to come back here? And why did she have to over-exaggerate like this? How am I gonna clean this? I have to hurry up. Oh god, that's disgusting. I have to clean this as fast as possible.